I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are discussing an application question based on arithmetic sequences and series. If you want in-depth knowledge on this particular topic, you may follow the link. The playlist on this will provide you hundreds of examples. In case you want to learn from me, send an email on the address given. Now let's look into the question. Grade 11 students are contributing at least $12 each to raise money for supporting the breakfast plan in the school. The class teacher contributed $50. Based on this information, we have two questions. Part A. Represent the minimum amount raised as an arithmetic sequence. Part B is find the minimum amount raised if 24 students contributed. So you can always pause the video, answer this question. Let's look into the basic concepts. While the formula to be used is straightforward, the nth term and sum of n terms, right? Those are the two things required. The nth term Tn, as you know, is written as a plus n minus 1 times d, the common difference. Now, how do we treat this series? This is kind of important to understand. It says grade 11 students are contributing at least 12 each. So that is something which is being added each time. Get the idea. And class teacher contributed 50. That means we should start from 50, right? The contribution of the class teacher. And then add 12 each to get the values which are contributed by the students. So we can now develop our arithmetic sequence in this fashion, correct? Adding 12 each time. Makes sense, right? So that is how we are going to develop the sequence itself. Now definitely the nth term here, let's say Tn, will now be A is 50 for us, correct? N is the number of students and the common difference is 12. So that forms the arithmetic sequence, right? So represent the minimum amount raised as an arithmetic sequence. So arithmetic sequence means we are just looking into the terms, right? So if there are two students, we can see the minimum amount raised is $74, right? Makes sense, correct? So we can actually simplify this expression by multiplying by 12. So it comes to 50 plus 12n minus 12, or the nth term, where n is the number of students contributing. You get the idea. So teacher's contribution is 50, right? So we have here 50 minus 12, which is 38 plus 12n, right? So look here, very interesting is that we have a formula. Strictly speaking, here, what is D? D is the common difference, the contribution by each student, right? Let's rewrite what we have here. So in this formula, D is 12, right? And the value of n is basically equal to teacher plus students, right? You get the idea, right? So that is what it is in this particular formula, right? So D is 12 because each student, and N actually is number of students. Correct? So I should say n is the nth term, which is 1 plus number of students, because there is one teacher also, right? Perfect. So that is how you are going to get the formula, right? Now, part B is find the minimum amount raised if 24 students contribute, right? So let me write n as equal to 1 plus 24. This is where we have 24 students, right? So we are doing part B now. A, we have an expression where n equals to number of students plus 1. Is that okay? N is number of students plus 1. Nth term is this. So here in this formula, we want to find the minimum amount raised if 24 students contribute. So 50 plus 24 more. So we have 25 terms, right? So T 25 is what we are going to calculate, correct? So that is going to be 38 plus 12 times 25. Make sense? So that is how you can actually calculate the answer, right? So we know 25 times 4 is 100. So this is 300, correct? And therefore we get 338 as the amount. Does that make sense to you? So this is how we should be calculating the total amount for part B. So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments, share your views. In case you like and subscribe to my videos, it'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.